Hey everyone, welcome to Ben's Experience. In this video, I will show you how to know your Squarespace site or template version. This is a Squarespace official website, and to know your site or template version, first click on Login, fill in your email address and password, then click on Login again. Click on this website button under your desired website. If you want to become a pro on Squarespace, I recommend you joining my university today for free in order to get access to this Squarespace online course. Inside this course, you can learn many things, including how to get started with Squarespace, how to design and customize your website, also some advanced customization and features, how to optimize for your website for mobile and user experience, how to manage and maintain your website, and also advanced tips and best practices. To get access to this Squarespace online course for free today, plus all of these online courses and also the upcoming free courses in my university, just go to university.bainsexperience.com, link in the description. Without any further ado, let's go back to our tutorial. Then from this left side menu, click on Pages and scroll down to the bottom. And this is your Squarespace site or template version. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to give this video a like and see you in the next one.